evening, sir. And my name is Khalid, sir. I'm born and brought up in Kanpur city, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my schooling from the UP board. Also, I have done my graduation as a degree, Bachelor of Computer Application (BCA). Currently, I am pursuing MCA, sir. This is my last semester. Actually, I just said I'm from the Bachelor of Computer Application, so I have a knowledge some for the DSA and for the some designing. But I was facing a lot of issues like while I'm using the. I was just working on the C language. So DSA is a very vast syllabus, so I'm not completed for that. So I was facing the issues in the DSA and the front end technology. So I just learned about that in the 10x bootcamp. Okay, nowadays, sir, everyone use the social media. So I'm just Instaholic. So I was just using the Instagram and searching new things. So I was see the advertisement about the 10x and all others bootcamps, but I just searched and researched about the 10x bootcamp. So I was feeling that it is a good way to enhance our skills. As I am a student of the MCA, so with the daily college, I'm working with the 10x bootcamp. I mean to say, I also taking the classes of the bootcamp. So this was the biggest challenge to do all the things with each other, sir. So, but after taking the solution session, just after the solution there is some practice session. So that was very helpful for that. If you confuse anything about the topic, so we can ask anything to the mentors, which is all the time present through the Slack. Okay, 101 mentor session is a very good thing, sir, because it just happened after the one topic is completed. That means it was very great thing. If you learned about that topic, if you do not recall this, you can just forget all the things. So after completing the one topic, there was a one mentor session that was just like a small mock interview, sir. So that was very helpful to reach that point where you are weak and where you are going to wrong way. That mentor will help you to help you to give the reviews and feedback. Actually, sir, I just want to say that the main part is a group discussion. Group discussion is not all the time with the same members. So you can learn from the other members and you just teach to the other members the new things. So according to me, the group discussion is very helpful to us. Because I wasn't confident about my speaking skills, about how to speak up and keep your point in the GD as a technically and a normal thinking. So definitely, sir, about group discussion was very helpful. The mock interview was very helpful for us, because during the mock interview, if you feel the hesitation, you can prepare for the real life interview, like a real interview. So mock interviews just remove your hesitation, and that was helpful for the preparation for the interview. And if you there was a lot of mock interview, like a live mock interview and one mock. So you can develop your skills, and you can learn how to react in the interviews and how to deal with the interviewer.